To my channel, welcome back to Vlogmas 2018. Today is number 22. It's day 22 of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this series so far. If you are new, please do hit the subscribe button. We have all sorts going on this channel and it's very, very exciting. And yeah, let's just get straight in and do some unboxing. I'm going to go straight in with the Airwick calendar. Let's find day number 22. Wow. How? Can't even call it right now. I hope I'm in focus, you guys. I'm sorry. So, this is what I'm seeing. It's the mulled wine. Smells beautiful. I love it. And let's move on to the calendar I made myself. The calendar I made myself. If you're not already aware, you guys, I don't know if I'm in focus or not. It's really freaking me out. I do not know what's going on. Anyway, you guys, let's just go into this calendar. If you're not already aware, I made this calendar myself out of random stuff. So let's go into day 22. That calendar looks so empty right now. It's weird. Ooh, okay, I'm excited about this, but also a little bit like, So this is the Real Techniques little spongy thing. And I mean, I am going to guess that it's going to get much, much bigger. It must be going to get a lot bigger, mustn't it? But I just feel like it's a strange shape. It's a strange shape. Like, I don't know. I'm used to it the shape being more like, not like that, basically. But yeah, hopefully it will be a good little product and it will get much, much bigger when it is like wet. So, Real Techniques little baby spongy thing. It's with the same collection as the brushes that I've been unboxing. Cheers, you guys. I love you so much. Let's go into the sleek calendar right now. Day number 22. Ooh, this could be another palette. Yeah. I'm seeing another palette. Might have damaged it. Whoops. Ooh, so it's another neutrally one and it's out all night long. And this is just what it looks like. Very, very cute. Very, very cutesy. I like it. I like it. It's very, there's a lot of wearable colours in it. So yeah, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. Let's move on. So that was sleek. Let's move on to the Soap and Glory one that I have right here. Ooh, I just got a whiff from this. I'm sure I just got a whiff from this. Day number 22. Ooh, this could be a mascara. I'm thinking this might be a mascara. This is a thick and fast, high definition collagen coat mascara. And that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because obviously with it being a mascara, you know, I don't open mascaras until it's time to use them. Let's go into the L one. At number 22 of the L magazine advent calendar. Diego Dalla Palma. Not quite sure what that means. Who that is or what's going on, but what is it? What actually is it? Oh, okay, what is... Oh, so it's a little brown eyeshadow. So, not mega exciting, it's just a single brown eyeshadow. It's got a little mirror in it, that's really, really cute. This might actually be like quite an expensive brand. It feels quite expensive. I'm not sure if that is the shade there. I don't think you guys will be able to see the writing on it because it's so bright. But yeah, that's alright. I'm probably not going to get much use. I might end up gifting that. But let's move on to the Body Shop calendar. Number 22 is quite a heavy one. Oh, it's the body yogurt! Yes! This is the Moringa body yogurt. Oh, Moringa. Yes! I'm so excited. It smells nice. It smells like, it does have a little bit of like a magnolia smell. And then almost a bit of citrus to it. So I'm really excited. I really did want one of the body butters. This probably wouldn't have been like my choice in the scent. But I'm still really pleased and excited to try that out. I really did want to try out one of the body yogurts. Yay! Let's have a look in the Look Fantastic one and see what we've got in there. So, oh, we've got another makeup brush. Oh, wow. This one actually says Look Fantastic on it. I don't know whether it's like their own brand. It doesn't have the name of the brush on it. Obviously, this is like a little duo fibre fan brush, which is exciting. A little bit of highlighting going on. And then this is like, I don't know, maybe you could use that for like concealer, like doing like the makeup under your eyes, or who knows? Who knows? But yeah, I'm excited to try that out. I love this. It's very duo fibre, like very stipply, if that makes sense. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. So that is everything. 2, 4, 6, 7. Glossy box! I haven't done the glossy box one, oh my gosh! Don't worry guys, I won't forget. Number 22 from Glossy Box. Let's have a look what's in here. Actually nearly forgot the Glossy Box one then. I'm getting so flustered because my camera's playing up and it's like destroying my life right now. But this is a Zelens Transformer. I have no idea what this is. There is no information on this product whatsoever, but I can Google it. I will Google it, and if anyone does want to know, just leave me comments down below and I'll find out and I will comment you back. So on that note, cheers everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really sorry if any of my later videos are being in and out of focus. Something weird is going on with my camera and I don't know what's going on. But I love you so much. Your support means everything to me and you guys are so supportive and so amazing. I hope you're having an amazing December. I hope you're having an amazing Vlogmas and I'm going to see you in the next video.